afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, new week, new puzzles, new puzzles. Um, Monday, May the 6th, 2024. Not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only three regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. There's no additional. Let me show you. There's no additional. No extra puzzles. Well, I don't think I need to solve the rest of the puzzles of the last weekend. Yeah, the weekend edition of last weekend, because those puzzles are too easy to solve. It's a waste of time. If there are any requests, just place a request in the comments. Yeah. And as promised, last Friday we have a speed test. I will do or correct the error. The error, yes, the error. Anyway, enough. Let's get started with the first puzzle. The first puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 8490. 8490. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits should be an easy one. Because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional puzzle with 27 printed digits should be a 1 star. But it's indicated with 3 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated. It has 27 printed digits. So should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster. Faster than 50 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Alright. Yeah, okay. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, and only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this third column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then, let me see. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, third column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then, let me see. 4, 6, 7, okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, there are only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 in the row above, no 3 there. The only place left for 3. Oh, need to move the camera. Apologies. Again, 3 in this row. 3 in the middle, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. The only place left for 3. I should be there. Alright. Okay. Then, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so on that row. Only place left for the 4, A should be there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 6 in the first row. 6 in the second row. So in the third row. Only place level 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Well, 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 4, a souvenir. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, 8 and the... Then, 8 and the 2. 9 and the... let me see, 1 and the 7, 9 and the 6. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. First column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So in the row between. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. How about a 4? 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Then, let me see. Right. 9 and 5 missing 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 8, 5. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left is 7. I should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left of 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left for the number 1 in this column. Yeah, we need a 1. Alright, then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then Two missing numbers in this big square. For them is the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, now only 2 place left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For almost 1, 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left with 8 should be there. Two missing numbers in the last row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. Then two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Yeah, 7 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, this one is very quick to solve. Told you, 27 printed digits. Well, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.